Hi everyone, Jessica here, your Facebook advertising expert. I have in my hand a 5-cent coin. That's how much it costs me to show a prospective client 10 seconds of my video. On a bad day, it's 15 cents. On a really good day, it's 3 cents. And the variation in the prices really depends on how well people are engaging and responding to my content. If I walked up to you in the street and you didn't know anything about me and I said, watch my video for 10 seconds and I'll pay you 5 cents, do you think you'll do it? I highly doubt it. But people do it on Facebook and Instagram all day, every day. So running ads that encourage people to watch your videos is a very cost-effective way to promote your business on Facebook. So I recommend in those 10 seconds to really grab their attention and spark their curiosity so that they can watch the rest of the video, become more engaged with your business, and then hopefully in time will give you a call. Till next week, everyone.